Today we're going to be opening this gift from Santa. Let's see what Santa got us this year. It's a Dewalt Jigsaw. I've been dealing with this old puppy for a while now. Heavy, crooked. Let's see how the new one holds up. We got 2 blades in here, ready to go. Feels pretty light. Definitely lighter than this one. So this is the Dewalt 20-volt lithium ion. So far, it looks pretty amazing. I'm gonna go and give it a test run. Just grab this template right here online. I can send a link in the description below. A couple different push stick styles. I glued them up here using some spray adhesive, and I'm gonna cut them out. Alright, so a few things that should be noted are the keyless T-shank removal here and installation. Makes it super easy to install these T-shanks. It's got a light on there to help visibility, as well as a dust blower. Here you could adjust the orbital or straight. The orbital mode is going to go up and down as well as forward and back. The 0 right here is just going to be straight up and down movement. If you're doing hardwood or metal, you want to keep it in the 0. To adjust the shoe is this lever back here, and it has a positive stop at 90. Pop it in, you feel that positive stop, then you can lock it into place. Well, there you have it, guys. Got a little caught up around the edges. Maybe it's the bit. It cut very balanced. It wasn't too hard to control. So yeah, I really like this, and this little push stick's gonna come in handy. Yeah.
Hey guys, that's
Can't wait to hang it up.
Cool, huh?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.